okay. I mean, the snow's light, and you know, just get out there early and just keep going and shovel, and you'll be all right. I mean, it is what it is, right? No, I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. So it only looks like we got 6 to 7 inches. So, you know, just keep going, and got a day off from work, so it's nice.
I don't think it's as bad as I expected, but it seems like it's going to continue. When you look up in the skies, it's still very gray, so who knows, maybe we'll get some more. The streets look pretty good, so I wish I had somebody to plow my driveway though.